Hello friend. Welcome here. Today's topic. Restaurant, English conversation. 1. Making a reservation. Restaurant, English conversation. 2. Being seated at the restaurant. Restaurant, English conversation. 3. Ordering. Restaurant, English conversation. 4. Making comments on food. Restaurant, English conversation. 5. Getting the bill. Check. Let go start.
This is Emma Restaurant.
Hi. I would like to make a dinner reservation for 2 people.
What night will you be coming?
We will need the reservation for Sunday night.
What time would you like?
8.30.
We don't have anything available at 8.30. Is 7.30 okay?
Yes. That's fine.
Please, just give me your name.
My name is John Thomas.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. See you this Sunday at 7.30.
Thank you. Bye. Restaurant, English conversation. 2. Being seated at the restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to Emma Restaurant.
I booked a table for 2 for 7.30 under the name of John Thomas.
Yes, Mr. Thomas. Please come this way. Please come this way. Here is your table.
Thanks for your help. Restaurant, English conversation. 3. Ordering.
May I get you anything to drink?
Yes. Please. May I get 2 glasses of orange juice?
Sure. Would you like an appetizer?
I'll have the tomato soup to start.
Would you like to order anything else?
That'll be all for now.
Let me know when you're ready to order your food.
Excuse me. Could you bring us the menu, please? We'd like to order a cheeseburger and some fries.
Sorry, the fries are off. Why don't you try the steak? It is excellent.
I'll trust your taste and take 1 order of that.
Do you want a dessert?
Just some water, please.
Can I get you anything else?
That's all. Thank you. Restaurant, English conversation. 4. Making comments on food. John, is your steak okay? The steak tastes wonderful. How is your cake? My cake is too sweet for me. So is mine. I think they put too much sugar in cakes. The food here is usually good, so I think that we should mention this to the waiter. You're right. Maybe they can bring us some better food. Restaurant, English conversation. 5. Getting the bill check.
Can I help you?
Yes, could I have the bill?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. I am ready to pay the bill.
Of course, sir. How would you like to pay cash or card?
By cash, please.
That will be $80, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your change and your receipt.
Thank you. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe this channel.